How to make resume in Indeed Jobs. Well, hello guys, in today's video I'll be teaching you how to make a resume in Indeed Jobs. To make a resume in Indeed Jobs, all we need to do is open up our Indeed Jobs. Once you open up our Indeed Jobs right here, all you need to do is press on our profile in the bottom right corner right here. Right here, you say build an Indeed resume. All we need to do is press on that, or we can press on upload if you already have a resume. There you go. Or just put in build an Indeed resume. Now here we're gonna put in our first name, let's say Clint, and then last name is Jerna. Enter right there. Next here we need to put in our phone number right here. So I'll see you guys in a bit. After we enter our phone number there, we are now here. Where are you located? We're gonna put in our location right here. Street address, let's just say street address, say house. City, let's say Tai. Postal code maybe 1920. Something like that. And continue. Then here, level of education. I'm gonna answer this. Let's say level of education right now is, let's say high school diploma. School name, school. Country, school location, near school. There's something like that. You just need to fill up your personal information right here, and then you can enter this one. I'm currently enrolled right now, and then from we're gonna put in just January to 2026. Then you can click on save. There you go. There you guys can see high school diploma. Blah, blah, blah. Continue. Job that I add work experience if you have any work experience, company, description or whatnot right there. They go from one time period, you put in currently working if you're currently working, and then there you go. Just we're gonna skip that part because a lot of details. Just continue without saving. Here we have add skills. You can add skills like customer service, food preparation, driving. There you go. Skills you can add. Once that, click on continue. Here, what certificate or license do you have? So let's just say we have look at this. We're gonna say we have some license. We have driver's license. Maybe license. Is your resume ready? As you can see right now, you can add some summary right here and personal information. You can edit those out. Then click on continue once you check it's all good. As you can see right now, what are you looking for in your next job? So here you can add job titles, job types, schedules, and pay. Guess here, and then per hour. There you go. Per year, depending on you, and also the location and the remote right here, whether hybrid, remote, hybrid work, or in person. So now click on finish once we're done. So there you go, guys. That's how you make your Indeed resume in Indeed Jobs. So there. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have more questions or concerns, you can type it in the comment section below, guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible and hear how to rock it, guys. And then there you go, guys. And thank you.